Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let omega be a complex cube root of unity omega not equal to 1. Look at this. Do you remember that in complex number we have studied this concept x cube equals to 1 and the roots of x was what? 1 omega omega square. Okay, so these are the three roots of cube root of like this x, and they are saying that x is not equal to 1, means omega is not equal to 1. This means either this or this, and we have certain relationship based on that. The idea is first one is omega cube equals 1, and the second result is 1 plus omega square equals to 0. So these are the two results that we have studied in complex number regarding cube root of unity. Now, a fair die is thrown 3 times. So fair dice is being thrown 3 times. So in one time it will reflect one thing, then second thing, then third thing. So if R1, R2, R3 number obtained on the dice, then the probability that omega to the power r1 plus omega to the power r2 plus omega to the power r3 equals to 0. Now, you know that this plus this will hold true for this condition. Now, I will tell you the nature of number. So, what is the nature of number? Nature of number is 3n type number, then 3n plus 1 type number, then 3n plus 2 type number. So what are the numbers? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the nature of number on a dice. Okay. Now we want this idea to hold true. So look at this. The required probability would be required probability. So it is what? Look at this. Suppose that this person is A. So I will connect A with this for time being. Okay, it's not perfectly true. B with this, then C with this. Okay, so I will select one of the two number between 3 and 6. So it is 2C1. Now our task is not completed. For second component, we have again two choices out of which we have to select one. Then for third component, we have to select 2C1. Okay. Now, you know that it is not necessarily true that this person will consume only 3 or 6. It can consume 1 and 4 as well. It can consume 2 and 5 as well. So for this person, we have three choices. Okay, means it can go with 3n type number, or 3n plus 1 type number, or 3n plus 2 type number. So this person is having three choices. This person will have only two choices because it cannot consider that which is being already taken by the first person. Okay, so it will have two choices. Then third person will have only one choice, that this has to go with the left one. So this is the idea. So done. Now look at this. This is favorable outcome. Now total number of, if we will throw a dice once, the total number of outcome would be 6. Task is not completed. Again we will throw, so there is chance of getting 6 different things. Again we will throw, so this is the required probability. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situation. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.